What the heck? What the heck? Alright. Actually, no, whatever. This is fine. So yeah, so do I want to have a collar on this shirt? I could. No reason I couldn't. How's that look? I mean, it looks. Oh, it looks more like a nun, or like a ceremony. It looks more ceremonial that way. Uh, you wouldn't be able to see it with the mask on, right? Yeah, because it's pretty well covered by the mask. Uh, huh. Oh, okay. There's like two little pieces where it peeks out, which makes it look slightly awkward. But other than that, you wouldn't see it under the mask. Um, hmm. Are those? Huh. That's funny. It looks like the mask is covering those places, and yet for some reason it's not. That's weird. um, but yeah, I might do that because it looks. Because I mean, you wouldn't actually see it until the mask is gone. Like the whole time the mask is there, you wouldn't actually even notice that part. So, um, that would make it. I guess I don't know. I feel like that would take a little bit of the edge off of the removing of the mask. I feel like I don't know. I kind of want to touch up the mask. I want to touch up something so that it doesn't so like it doesn't have these like peaky whatevers. Oops, wrong layer. Layer 28. I don't want that part that like kind of like sticks out and makes the mask look weird. All right, yeah, that was just overlapping parts. So good, good. So now there's no like difference between having that layer. No, I guess there is technically still a little difference. Does it matter though? It might not actually be affecting anything. Uh, I mean, I might be able to clean it up even better. What is that? I just, eh. Yeah, I guess it was just a little sloppy when I drew in the collar. No, that's the other thing is that, huh. Yeah, I kind of want to, cause like, yeah, if I draw it like that, there's like this weird edge around the collar where I can't like, yeah, okay, so you know what, I'm gonna get rid of this layer. I'm gonna smush these layers together. I'm just gonna erase the neck from the chest layer, and then probably have to redraw in a little bit of the gray, but that's fine. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it the other way around. So instead of drawing the collar on top of the other stuff that's going on, I'm just gonna get rid of this, and then draw the chain collar back in. Yeah, because otherwise yeah, the other way was crazy. Uh, trust me. Did I thought I smooshed these layers. Apparently not. Smoosh, I say. Smoosh. Oh my god, this freaking layers buttons thing, like, it's so bad. Like, I click the button and it's like, sometimes it does something, sometimes it does nothing. What the heck? Alright, yeah. So, yeah, I mean, that doesn't make a huge difference, but it's slightly better. So, and then with the mask, it still looks okay, good, because now there's nothing peeking out the edges, yay. Hooray! Uh, hmm. Oh, yeah, you know what? I was like, why does this edge look weird? And you know what it is? It's because this is actually what resolves out from behind so the reason there's this slightly weird edge like that comes in right here where like or sorry, I'm drawing on the wrong layer, but like there's like this slightly weird edge that's like right here, and there's like nothing rendered there, and that's because previously it was covered up by the head, like when the head had the flappy chain coming down the side. So I think I'm going to quickly touch up the mask a little bit. But the funny thing is I have to do it on both of the back layers because, yeah. Oh, yikes. Yeah, like this corner shoulder piece right here used to not be visible, and now it is visible. So I need to make that resolve. Oops, wrong layer. So I'm gonna quickly touch these up, or maybe it's fine how it is. Yeah, no, that's actually fine. It looked a little weird in that one frame of animation, but it also animates too. So no, I'm gonna pretend that's fine. That's fine. It's fine. It's fine how it is. I'm keeping it. All right. So save stuff. Oh, well, yeah, I guess I didn't have to save this one, but whatever. I hadn't saved it in a while. Okay, so yeah, so now I'm gonna re-export this piece with the whatever. So once again, hide the face, hide the back. Wait, oops, wrong back. Hide the face, hide the back. There we go. And now let's take extents one more time on the shirt. There we go. Oh, so it doesn't have to go that way. It has to go to here. Yeah. So, oh yeah, are they? It's probably not one layer right now. Oh, is it one layer? Oh no, it's 2 layers. So smoosh these layers together. Copy, paste. What? Oh, I didn't go as far down that time. Whoa, why does it do that? Sometimes, like most of the time, it clicks by 1 pixel whenever you hit the arrows, the arrow keys. And every now and again, it clicks by like way too much. All right, whatever. This is fine. Save that. I don't think I've done data for this yet though, so I should do data for this. Huh. Hey, how's it going? Madarido. Sorry. Welcome. I was just noticing, like, I have these like little like dots and like crufty edges, but like I don't care about those because for one thing, a lot of that is on the chainmail layer. Oh yeah, so I should unsmoosh these layers. A lot of those edges are on the chainmail layer, and they didn't look bad on the chainmail layer. And then like this other stuff is covered up by the face, so I'm not going to worry about those. Although typically I try and... Hey, new follower. I can't read that because of the text, or because of the font and how small it is, but I'm assuming that says Madarido, so thank you. Thank you very much for following. I appreciate your viewership. Welcome. Yeah. Don't mind Trusty Bard. He is our resident storyteller, so some of the things he says are a little bit funny, but he does tell the truth, so you can trust him. It's part of the game that we have going on along the bottom of the screen. He keeps mostly to himself, but he also he pipes up when there's an event happening in the game, and he basically like lays out the event. Oh, Madarato. I apologize. Madarato 101. I like that. It has a nice ring to it. Madarato. Yeah, I stumbled on it the first time, but I like that. All right, sorry for mispronouncing your name so many times. I do take mispronunciation requests. I mispronounce a lot of things a lot of the time, so if anyone wants to hear me mispronounce something, I can do that. I'm actually quite quite experienced at mispronouncing things. So, all right, I think that's pretty much everything that I need to do for that piece. And then so that gives us the linen shirt, linen sleeves, buckler. So the next, oh yeah, the next one is a big change because it's the linen pants. Wait, what? Oh no, wait, no. The next one's not the big change. The next one is just linen pants chain. So I think I'm actually going to do linen pants I'm going to do linen sleeves first because I basically have it done already. Because linen sleeves, real quick, is just getting rid of hands 2.5, bringing back hands to smooshing these together and doing extents again. So smoosh these together. Oh wait, did I do? I didn't. I still didn't do data for this. I said I was going to do data, and I didn't do data. Hold on. Wait. So I'll do that first. And actually, this is actually slightly bigger than I have it here. I'm pretty sure the dimensions here are 26 by 25. Yeah. Whereas I was missing a pixel. So 26, 25. Yeah. Okay. So data. Day to whatever. I don't know what I'm talking about. All right. Chest. This was. Did I even save this one? What is this? Linen shirt chain. All right. I did save the image. New text document. Data.txt. And so the numbers are 65. I'm just reading this off of the screen. I'm not divining these numbers from magic places. 26, 25. It's probably covered up by the graphics of the game, but I can see them, so that's the important part. So good. All right. So now the linen sleeves, because we're like right there. So hands. So layer 29 and hands 2. Smoosh those together. Let's take extents here. To go from here to here. Yeah, I don't think there's any pixels down there. I'm pretty sure that's clean. Alright, so copy this. File, new. Okay. Paste. Good. File, save as. So this is just, this is equipment, hands, just linen sleeves, no buckler. And then in that folder, this is layer 2. Or frame 2, whatever you want to call it. And then I can close these. I don't need. Oh, actually, this is no. It's different extents. It's mostly the same image, but different extents. So yeah, right. And I have it over here. This is hand 0. Copy file new. Okay. Paste. Save as linen sleeves frame 0. All right. Alrighty then. Alright, yeah, because it's easy. It's as easy to do that now as it is to come back and do it later. So, I can also, I can just leave hands. Yeah, I can leave these hands layers merged now because this is the future. Yeah, I unseparated. I separated the chest layers though, right? Yeah, okay, because what I want to do with the chest now is wait, do I want to do it now? I mean, technically, I want to do the legs next. Yeah. Yeah, I'll do the legs. Ugh. I don't know if I want to do the legs right now. I'll do the chest first. 'Cause I'm enthusiastic about it, so I'll do it while I'm enthusiastic. Alright, so yeah, so now I can basically get rid of the rest of this chest. Although I'll do it manually. Actually, no, I won't even get rid of it yet. First, before I get rid of it, I'll just move it down a layer, and I'll draw on top of it to make sure I'm keeping the shape normal and whatnot. So, how's this go? I think I'm drawing on. Oh no, that's the wrong layer. This layer. Here we go. So yeah, so. Oh wait, no, this actually only goes to the sleeve. Oh, and this is all covered up by the jacket too, so there's also that. Yeah, basically all I really have to cover up, all I really have to do here is, right, because we're never going to see this chest piece without the jacket over it, so I don't actually have to do the whole thing. I can just do like that much. The other thing I have to do though is the sleeve coming down here, because this is covered up by the jacket, right? But we do see it come down and out, and Um, yeah, so like yeah, it's not. I mean, it's not. It's like, huh. So the trick here is to make it connect, because like we're doing this across two different layers. Oh, you know what I did is I left a smudge on the shoot. I left this little smudge on the other hands layer. On hands layer 0, there's a little bit of a, yeah, shoot. I could, I should re-export some of that stuff, just for cleanliness. I won't do it right now, but I should do that at some point. All right, yeah, because I was like, why is this not working? Why is this shape not coming out quite right? Right. Oops. Doop doop. All right, so then if we hide chest layer, whatever. Oh, the sleeve doesn't quite connect. Other than that, though, it's looking pretty good. Oops. Clone stamp tool, no. No clone stamp tool. Doop-a-doop. Alright, that's pretty good. I just wanted to get that done up front because when I come back, I don't know, because I like had it half done because of the other way that it set other stuff up, and so now when I come back to do the jacket, that part will be done already. So sure. Although I guess I kind of crunch the shoulder a little bit. Again, it won't matter because it'll be covered up by the jacket. That part never actually gets seen, but I don't know. Oh, and technically I shrunk the shoulder. Again, that's going to be covered up by the jacket, so... Alright, sure, so that's fine for now. And then, so I can bring back the face and the mask. Oh, that looks weird. That just looks weird. Oh, yeah, because it's not supposed... Alright, fine. Huh. It's weird having the collar come up because usually like the neck is the separation between the shirt, and like now the whole like torso region looks a little flat, but that's why we're putting the jacket over it, so it should look better before we actually export it. Oh, but I was saying I should export I should re-export part of the arm down here. Oh wait, yeah, actually, hold on, before I do that though, I need to make sure that I just need to make sure it still looks good on this as well. And actually, it doesn't look great, or it could look slightly better. So I'm going to, on the hands layer 0, add a little bit more roundness there. And it's just lightness. It's not, I didn't use any of the darker tone, so it should not interfere with the other thing that we were doing with this layer. Yeah, good. See, now it works on both layers. Great. Fantastico. So let's just do that again. I'm not going to do the whole thing, but I'll do just a healthy chunk. So file, and I need to do this on both of those hands layers. So, so linen sleeves and linen sleeves buckler. So not a big deal, just pop this on here, right? That's lined up, I think. It's lined up. Yeah. That's lined up. Okay. Save that. Not a major change, just kind of subtle. Okay, so open hands, linen sleeves buckler. Same deal here. Paste this. Stick it on here. Good. Oh, wait, no, yeah, that's good. Save that. Alright. And then, good, done. Done with that. Deselect. So now the legs. The legs are always a little bit of an adventure. I think for this, I'm going to do I'm gonna render the entire legs, and then I'm gonna put the skirt on top of it, like the little chain skirt. That way I don't have to redo the legs once I take the chain skirt away. So I'm basically gonna do like the second piece first, and then yeah. I think that'll work out. I think that'll work out quite all right. I might actually. So as a basis for these new legs, I'm probably not going to use the current legs. I'm probably going to use a different set. Oh, I can get rid of this other chest layer now. I think because I don't see myself needing to keep both of these around. All right. So. Sorry, just just looking at the picture. I kind of made it look a little bit like the adventure has a little bit of a gut, like a little bit of a belly. But I think part of that's exacerbated by the fact that we don't have the jacket showing. Actually, no, you know what? I can fix that. I can fix that. I think. It's just too much shadow on the chest, I think is what's doing it. So let's just bring this across a little bit. Hey there, your fan. How's it going? Welcome. Oh, cool. You might recognize me from That Your Fan's TV. Yeah, the way I did the shading on the chest, it looks like on the torso, it kind of looks like the player has a little bit of a belly, but maybe that's because they're a baker. Maybe that's right. This outfit is supposed to be the baker, so maybe that's why. Maybe that's what that's about. Yeah. Why did it? No, you know what? I think that was left over actually from the earlier armor sets where the armor was like puffier, like it was bigger, and so the fact that I've reduced the upper shoulders, but I didn't reduce the belly part, I think that was what was giving it that appearance. So, just because I'm intensely vain, I'm actually going to re-export this little piece right here. Actually, wait, I think I selected too much, so it's just this little piece right here. And it's only to one image, so, alright, don't mind me. Equipment, chest, linen shirt chain. I mean, it doesn't even look bad here, but this is the prelude to looking bad, so oops, what is to yeah, just, doesn't make a huge difference. Doesn't probably no one would ever notice, but yeah. That sounds awesome that you're a fan. Yeah, I love having a media PC. The way I have my space set up, my desk is on the. It's kind of a weird setup. The reason I always squint when I look at my other monitor is because my desk is on one side of the room and my monitors are actually on the other side of the room. It's not that far. It's not a big room, but then yeah, it's nice because the same monitor that I'm using right now for work, I can also use as I have comfortable space so that I can relax and watch a movie there too. So yeah. So all right, this yeah, we're making progress. We're going places. So yeah, the legs. Oh yeah, so I was saying the new shoes that we're getting, I'm not gonna copy the old ones, I think, but I'm gonna start with some of the other ones, I think, as a base because let me think. I might just go back and start with the regular, the basic legs again. I'm trying to think if there was ever just the very basic legs, the basic shoes, the most basic shoes, just with it, in a. Well, no, I was gonna say desaturated, but you know what? I can just desaturate it manually. So yeah, I'll just start with the basics again. Yeah. Uh, all right, so let's open these. I don't need this open anymore. I can close that. Yeah, because like this shoe is gonna be very simple. It's not gonna be this shoe, but it's gonna be similar to this shoe. So we'll use this as a base. We'll use these as bases, I guess. Yeah, legs. I need a ton of new layers now. Leg 0, sure. New layer. I'll add a new layer underneath leg 0 because we're gonna keep the skirt from leg 0 and put it over this new one. So actually, yeah, maybe the first thing I'll do is to erase the old legs. Actually, yeah, I'll hide the, because I want to get rid of all of the black leg, but I don't want to get rid of the skirt. I want to keep the skirt the same, or like almost exactly the same. So yeah, I'll use the select delete method because I think sometimes when I scrub some of that stuff away is how some of those stray pixels get left just idling or like lingering. Alright, so the skirt stays pretty much the same. Oops, a little too much off the top there. Alright, so yeah, so then so the skirt stays for now, and then so let's this is layer this is layer 0. Copy this. Oh yeah, let's get the coordinates. Oh no, I know the coordinates. It's 61, 61. It's always 61, 61. Except in some oops, wrong layer. Except in some rare cases, the legs always go at 61, 61. Right? I feel like I should double check. No, they have to go at 61, 61. They always go at 61, 61. Or is this the rare case where it's 61, 60? No, because there's no, yeah, it's either 61, 61 or 61, 62, and this is definitely not 61, or no, it's either 61, 60 or 61, 60. 61, 61 or 61, 60, and this one's definitely not 60, so yeah, alright, so it has to be that. Alright, that's fine. Yeah, so I'm going to desaturate this layer, because saturation's the worst. No, because I want the shoes to be gray. So hue and saturation. That's funny. That's basically how I got to the red pants that are in the game. No, but I want to drain all the life out of it. I want it to be darker than that, though. So let's also change the brightness and contrast to be, no, not brighter, a little darker, but maybe a little more contrast. Oh, the contrast is also darkening it. Interesting. So maybe it doesn't need to be darker. Wait. Yeah, a little more contrast. Huh. Actually, maybe not more contrast. Maybe just more darkness. Yeah, I think that's okay. Because we want it to be pretty dark, not black though. Actually, I think that might be a little too much. So maybe not as much contrast. Like that's probably good. All right. Oh, I probably should have. Whatever. No, this is fine. And then so yeah, so I don't need these legs because I'm gonna put in the yellow legs, the linen slacks. So yeah, so kind of like with the sleeves, I was thinking of making. Actually, you know what? Just as a guideline, I'm gonna leave the leg in there for a second, because I don't want literally the shape of the leg to change. I only want the shape of the pant to change, not the shape of the leg. So, and then I add in another layer. I said. And then I'm going to draw over it for starters, and then once I've drawn over it and gotten it in satisfactory state. Yeah, actually, I just noticed when I was redrawing the skirt, I accidentally covered up the leg a little too much. There we go. Okay. So yeah, so I'll draw draw in the, oh yeah, she's the darker tone too, to come in, and I want to add that slightly poofy, not poofy, like slightly baggy or looser. Yeah, I want the leg to look like slightly looser, I guess. And I guess it'll be easier to tell what's going on with the leg once we get rid of uh, the chain skirt thing going on there. But yeah, the gist is that it'll look slightly like this, I think. I think that's probably okay. Sorry, just catching up on chat. I really like, I don't like moving furniture around, but once I start moving furniture around, I love it. And I have to get it exactly right, and then I get it exactly right, and everything's wonderful. It's one of those things that if I let myself, I could probably move around. I could waste a lot of time moving around furniture if I let myself. But because I don't know, because it's not exactly. I don't have to. I actually don't have to worry about that too much because it's not like I come home and I'm like, I really wish I could move around some furniture. It's not until I'm actually doing it that I'm like, this is the best thing. Yeah, this shape isn't really selling, or it's not really coming through. I was trying to keep the shape of the leg clear, but if I try and keep the shape of the leg clear, it looks too, I don't know, it looks too like weird and like angular. So I think I need to, yeah, it's gonna look, I guess, I don't know, the lightness will have that curve to it as well, I guess. I don't know, that seems to read better. Okay, so yeah, this is roughly what it's gonna look like. And then, oh yeah, I said I was gonna change the shoe a little bit, but I'm actually not in any hurry to. Excuse me, I might do that. Or I might not actually. I might just keep a basic shoe. Let me just keep a very simple shoe. Because like the pants are like the interesting part here. Yeah. So, right. I can merge these layers, probably. Yeah. Yeah, I can do that. And then, so, yeah, let's now do, I guess I'll do legs layer 2 before I go to the other position. Legs layer 2, I don't need as many layers for this one. I can just paste this one directly onto this layer. It goes at 61, 61. Oh, wait. No, I'm gonna look up the data, because there's like the slightest chance that it is actually... Oh no, next one. Yeah. Whatever. It's gonna irk me unless I look it up, so it's not gonna take any time to look it up. It's gonna take more time to just like... I'll spend more time distracted, not... Yeah, 61, 61. Alright. It's always 61, 61. It's almost always 61, 61. One time it was 61, 60. Alright. So yeah, yeah. So this is simple. I'll apply the same adjustments to the brightness and contrast. No saturation. Brightness, contrast. All right. So that should put it to the same tone. Sorry, I'm not actually going anywhere. I'm just gonna mute the microphone for a second, but I'll be right back. Hey, sorry for the delay. All right. So, yeah. Let's do what now? All right. So yeah, I can once again. Well, oh yeah. So I'll leave the leg there for starters. Oh yeah, I think I actually never even got rid of the other leg. I think I just ended up drawing over it completely. So I'll just, yeah, I'll add in a new layer. New layer, I said. New layer, new layer, you terrible jerk. All right, and then, whoops, I didn't mean to change that. Uh, and then, oh yeah, so let's choose the darker tone first. All right, this one might be a little weird to render because like, no, this should be fine. I was thinking it might be a little weird because like changing the shape might look weird, but no, that seems fine. All right, this one I think. No, this one I might need to change the. I might need to curve the lighting tone. I was gonna say with this one I won't curve the lighting tone, but no, I think for this one I will as well. Oh yeah, I should also see what this looks like with it. Oh yeah, right. I said I was gonna draw this without the skirt and then put the skirt in over it, and then I kind of forgot about that. So hold on, let me do that real quick. I'm just gonna hide the skirt. Yeah, because right, like the whole point of doing it this way was so that I can get it to look natural, so that when I remove the skirt, like it doesn't look all of a sudden weird. So all right, sorry. One moment. This should be fairly straightforward. Although I will hide leg 2. Oh, I will hide that layer just so I can get each of the legs to look natural independently. Whoops, wrong layer. Layer, what was it? Layer 26. Jonas, hey, how's it going? Oh. I don't know, man. I had my Chihuahua friend on the stream earlier today, and he was pretty adorable. I think if you saw him, you'd be like, "That is an adorable dog." I don't know. I mean, I respect cats too. Cats are cool. I I have a thing for dogs though. They're so lovable. They're so nice, and they are so happy. And I think yeah, maybe it's because like I don't know. I feel like if dogs knew how to laugh, they would probably laugh a lot. They'd probably like be like ha 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 ha, like very much. Cats, yeah, cats I have a lot of respect for. But like you're saying, yeah, they might be evil. They might like if cats and dogs knew how to both laugh and murder, I feel like dogs would laugh a lot and never murder anyone, and cats would never laugh, but they would murder a lot of people. So it's probably good that they don't know how to do those things, I guess is what I'm saying. Um, uh, um, uh, I don't think those butt pixels are actually supposed to be there. I think that was a mistake. But they're there now, so no. Yeah, no, I think I added those in when they were. Yeah, no, those butt pixels are not supposed to be there. I added them in because they were covered by the skirt and I didn't notice them, but they're not supposed to be there. So erase that. Right? Am I right? I'm right, right? Am I right? I'm right. Right? Oh no, maybe. Well, I mean, they're going to get covered up by the jacket anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I just hold on. Let me see. I think that was a mistake. Not because I know the torso did have some shape to it, but whoops, I forget how much. It's like the original shirt. Like it didn't have that much shape to it. No, it was much flatter. Yeah, no, it had a little bit of curve to it, which was very subtle. So no, that was actually not a correct thing. Oops. All right. Like I said, there's supposed to be a little bit of shape, just not in that way. Yeah, and so I should update that on the ones that I exported. Copy file. I only exported one so far. Chest. Linen shirt chains. Yeah, it's just like it was covered up by the chain skirt, so I wasn't as noticeable. But yeah, no, it's just supposed to be like no, that's right. Yeah, there we go. just like that. There is a little subtle curvature there, but it's not like booty, booty rocking everywhere. No, sorry. All right, it's not out of control. No one, everyone. I should just stop saying things. All right, legs. No, where's the legs? That legs. What layer am I working on? This one here. All right. That's a little too much, or a little too little, depending on your perspective. Yeah, this one. Uh, um, that I think you're onto something, Sir Lol Troll Leader. That sounds devastating, crippling even. Oh, maybe I think the pant layer actually it tends to come up a little further too. These ones are really low set. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's true. I'm pretty sure like it's supposed to yeah, that's better, I think. All right, but yeah, okay. So I mean, right. So this is all. It's not like critically important or anything, but I just wanted to get that done so that I didn't have to come back and do it later. And like if I had to change anything, like I might want to change the shape of the leg slightly in that like the shape of wrong tool. The shape of the of this curvature, I might want to extend it out a little bit, and I wouldn't have noticed that until I went to draw the full leg. Yeah, I think that's a little better. It reads better in the full image than it did before. And oops, I got this shape slightly wrong. Oops, what are you doing? There we go. It's supposed to not come quite as far over. Also, I minimized OBS, and now I can't see my miniature view down there anymore, so, alright, that's better. Okay. Alright, so now back to the other layer. Back to the other leg, which was what? It was layer 27. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so that's pretty good. I'll extend this up slightly, just slightly, and then, actually, did I like it better before? I kind of liked it a bit, I might have liked it a bit better before, because it wasn't, I don't know if it was quite right, but it was a little exaggerated in a way that I kind of liked. Yeah, so I think I might actually get rid of that. And then there's a weird, like, edge here. I don't know where it came from. I think it's just coincidence, and it's not good. Right there. Supposed to be a little... Just doesn't want to go. How's that? That's not bad. That's pretty good. Alright, so yeah, I'll call that good for now. And like I usually do when I'm trying to get the legs to look okay, I'm going to print screen and then take a screenshot. Open a new file, whatever, paste that there. So that way I have like I have something to compare it against as I'm drawing the second legs, because in order to draw the second legs I have to hide these legs. Oh, I can smoosh those legs together though. The legs, layer 27 onto layers 2, so that... Oh, whoa. Whoops. I apparently drew some of that on the wrong layer though. So before I do that, let's actually get that together. I'm guessing I drew it on this layer, right? Or no, not that layer. This layer, right? Yeah. Because that's the other layer that I was just working on. So, let's very carefully cut that. Nope. What layer am I on now? Oh gosh. Cut that. New layer. New layer. Oh god, how many times are you going to make me click? Paste this here. Paste that back in. There we go. And then I smoosh these together. And then smoosh these together. Yeah. Alright, good. Oh no, I didn't get all of it. Rubble. So wait, hold on. I'm gonna hide layer 27. All right. Yeah, no, I need to. I mean, it doesn't make a huge difference, but I just want it to be right. So cut that. All right. Come down to layer 27. Add in a new layer. Paste. Show layer 27. Smoosh these together. Smoosh these together. There we go. All right, we got it. We got it, you guys. We got it. Deselect. All right, and so hide. Layer 26. And then let's show legs 1. And oh yeah, I was like, what is up with that? Like, how did I miss that? But it's because that's covered up by the hand. If the hand was there, it would be covering that up. So, all right. So, all right. Yeah, I'll start with this. And so, yeah, like before, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this layer. I'm going to put in a new layer here underneath legs 2. Wait, I thought that was legs. No, that's legs 1. Yeah, okay. So paste this here. So 6161 as per usual. 6161. Deselect. All right. So now let's erase the black legs, the black pants from this layer. Doop-a-doop. I don't want to change the shape of the skirt. I just want to get rid of that to the extent that I can. Which actually cuts out pretty cleanly. Seems like. Oh, sorry. I see text. I see chat moving, and I'm not paying attention to it. Let me just catch up on that real quick. I'm just going to delete these boots first, and then, oops, and then I'll see what the buzz is about. Aw. That's not nice. Conchita Worst is the Conchita Best. No, I like that song. Yeah. I can see how that would happen, though. Because the internet are jerks. The internet is just all jerks. All of us here are jerks. We're lesser jerks, but then there are greater jerks out there as well. Oh, yeah. I was, earlier I was, that's funny. I hadn't thought about that. But, yeah, earlier I was testing, to see what would or wouldn't fit in the, I was testing what, so this chroma key index, it also looks blacked out. To me, this looks pink because I set it to, I think you probably saw a flash of pink before it, yeah. It's because I set the same chroma key. Oh yeah, wait, here, hold on. I'll put it back on for a second. And so you know how usually if I show Journey or if I show SideQuest on stream, it has that giant like pink to it. It has like all that crazy pinkness going on. Hey, congratulations to Jonas! Congratulations on leveling up. Yeah, so like I'm using the same chroma key for Journey just to test visual stuff, and so yeah, so that pink color is all nixed. But here, I can bring that back. So if you ever wondered what section of the color wheel my chroma key would filter out, it's those colors you will never see in SideQuest. Yeah. All right, so that I'm just gonna clean. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but like I'm just gonna clean this up because it just looks scruggly. Okay, so then and there's just a little bit of. Hold on, I'm gonna use a smaller brush. Just a little bit of dark residue here, and then so I'm gonna take. Oh yeah, and actually, there's not a dark rim here. This dark residue is just because it was over a black layer of pants. So that's fine. And then I'm just gonna go over this lightly. I don't want to add any depth, or I don't want to add any width to it or anything. I just want to make sure I'm not losing any width either. All right, so that should be good. I cannot confirm or deny that, Jonas. No comment. um, yeah, I left this kind of messy. I'm just gonna clean that up a little bit. Because like part of the reason a lot of this stuff wasn't visible before or wasn't noticeable before is that the shirt used to be black, so yes, that stuff wouldn't have been noticeable. But I think that's whoops, wrong wrong tool. I think that's better now. All right, so then yeah, all right, so then let's bring in the other layer, layer 27, and yep, again let's whoops, wrong layer. Again, let's tidy this up. I mean, most of that's going to be covered up anyways. Oh, interesting. These legs are a lot thinner than the other ones, I guess. Huh. Interesting. I don't know what that's about. But, so let's, I mean, the next legs, we can change the skirt as needed to accommodate the next legs. But actually, let's hide the skirt for now because, like I was doing with the other layer, I want to, before I worry about that, I'm gonna draw the legs themselves. So let's right. So adjustments, hue and saturation, no saturation, adjustments, brightness, contrast. So much contrast, so little brightness. All right. So then add in another new layer, and another new layer. I said, oh my god. 4 clicks, 5 clicks, 6 clicks. I had a freaking new layer, you jerk. I just like tap 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 tap, and it would not for the life of it add a freaking new layer. That jerk. That terrible jerk. I will never forgive it. Alright, so no, not clone stamp. Oh wait, that's not clone stamp, that's eraser tool. Okay. Alright, so yeah, once again. Doop doop. Doop doop doop. Oops, went a little too far with that one. Alright, the darker tone. Come down here, over here. Oh yeah, so so we'll go with the slightly baggier sort of look, and then how baggy though? Not that baggy. Or rather, it should, yeah, it kind of has to, should probably draw it like not baggy first and then add the bagginess to it. That's not bad actually. Alright, so let's finish up this. Yeah, I think in the other frame it was slightly, yeah, the waistline, I mean this is going to be covered up by the hand anyways, but in the waistline comes up like that. Alright, so then comes down here, and this leg doesn't have to look baggy because it's not baggy around the thighs, it's baggy around the ankles mostly. And then I think I lost a little bit of the knee shape. I think that's supposed to be slightly more knee shaped considering it's a knee. And how's that looking? A little lumpy actually. Let's smooth that out. I think this inner line is supposed to be more of a straight across sort of situation. I think it's a little more like that. I think that's how it's supposed to go. And also, let's. I don't think I did this for the other layers, but I'm gonna get rid of the gray underneath here because I don't think it's helping. I think it's just adding those like weird, like edgy, picky, pixely, weird things that I don't like. Okay, so. Yeah, we're almost there. Just gonna tidy up the shape slightly. That's pretty good, actually. So that's one frame of animation. I might be able to go slightly bigger with the bagginess, just like slightly, because I think I kind of toned it down a little bit for this one. But we can like go a little bit bigger there, and then like a little bit bigger here. Let me see. Yeah, because this one, I don't know. Maybe it's because the leg is straightened, but it's pretty baggy. It gets pretty wide at the end. That looks closer. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, good. So now, oh yeah, and then the other side leg, yeah, that looks fine too. Alright, so now, right, so now let's do, oh yeah, and then let's bring like the skirt. Because why not? Might as well do the skirt while we're here. And then I'll go in and do the other leg. Alright, so I guess, actually, I guess I want to bring the waistline down slightly. I don't know. It's pretty low. Oops. Actually not that much. But like, yeah, this skirt is very low-waisted. I don't want to go much lower than that, I don't think. Did I go that low here? Oh, you know what it is? It's, I didn't come up over on this side, I think is what's making it look strangely shaped. Oops, nope, not that. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, what is this? Oh, hey, Bradley C. How's it going? Welcome. Alright. This is, this is John. This is Janice's work of art. That is... you really captured my likeness with that one. You captured exactly how I feel inside with that one. Oh, I didn't have to relink that because you're a mod, so it already linked. Alright. Whoops, whatever. Alright. Alright, so that's good. That is fine. And actually, so when we take away the skirt, I don't really have to care about the waistline, because when we take away the skirt, we're going to add in a belt. So we're going to redo the waistline anyways. I just wanted to make sure the broad strokes, like the shape of the pants themselves, were correct. Yes. All right. So the last leg, literally the last leg. Not figuratively the last leg though, because actually, yeah, there's definitely more to do after the legs, but like, anyways, I'm gonna just because I'm really picky, I'm gonna add in a new layer. A new freaking layer. Come on. This program, I swear. My green screen is buggy. Yeah, it's because I have, that's where I put OBS. So, um, I kind of like it though. I think I don't know. It fits almost exactly like, wait, hold on. It's like, yeah, it's almost exactly the edge, right? It almost like lines up perfectly. Wait, hold on. If I put it like right here, then it's like almost perfect, right? So now it looks like it, right? I I didn't do that literally intentionally, but I have to admit when I caught like when I noticed that was kind of like happening, I was like, oh, all right. Oh yeah, and so the reason I had OBS on screen is actually because of the littler version. Like it's like when I'm drawing, you'll notice that I zoom in and zoom out a lot. And the nice thing about having OBS there is that it actually shows me the zoomed out version, right? So like when I'm working on stuff, it's easier to I don't have to zoom in and zoom out nearly as much because it's like if I move my head, it's like right there all the time. All right, so oh yeah. So I added this in this other layer. I'm being really picky. I'm being really like finicky here, but I'm just gonna on this other layer, I'm gonna put the skirt behind the leg, and I just wanted to make sure it was on it because the most of the skirt layer is in front of the other leg, and I just put in that other layer so that I could actually literally draw it in the background and not have to like cheat around the pixels and blah blah blah. All right, so right. So finally, leg layer 3. leg layer 3. So let's copy from leg layer 3, add in a new layer, or no, we can just stomp over this old layer. So 61, 61, as usual, and then I guess I could I'm gonna hide the the mask tails temporarily. Nope, they both cover it up. Yes, I'm just gonna hide the mask tails temporarily, and then doop doop. All right, so oh yeah, so first thing, adjust brightness, or adjust hue, saturation, no saturation, adjust brightness, contrast, no brightness or very little brightness. So right, so new layer, and I'll deselect. All right, so now yeah, last step. Be a lot like the two back legs are very similar. Like when I'm drawing new boots or like new footwear, like the shape changes slightly, but other than that, like it's just like feet in the background, done. So yeah, so all I need to do here really is basically that. And then I just have to make sure that the shape looks right. So that might be so that the shape is a little off. I can tell already. Well, actually, this one's a little weird. I might need to change the other layer, like the upper layer, because these the trick with like it's weird because this leg is drawn on two separate layers. So I might need to change the upper layer to bring up the no, I probably do. I'm gonna so wait, what layer was that? That was layer 28. I'm going to bring that up just slightly, because otherwise, so if that shading line started too low, then it like set the shading line for the lower leg like too low, and I couldn't, that should be better. What was this, layer 30? So yeah, because now I can have like, I can have this a little darker, a little more consistently across, and then so then when I do introduce the lighter layer, I can follow that like that curve where it gets bigger at the around the ankle, where it's a little baggier and stays a little less. And so yeah, I think I might even I kind of like that shading line on the lower leg, so I think I might bring it up again on the upper leg, which was layer 28. So once again, just bring this up a little bit. And I can also erase it. I don't actually need it to be drawing there. As long as it's drawing on one of those layers, then that looks pretty okay. Except, hold on, I'm going to bring in this knee and then bring it back down again. Like that. Ugh, that might be a little too much over here. Whoops, wrong tool. Wrong tool. That might be a little too much over here. That's fine. I just stopped fiddling with it. Alright. Okay, that's good. Oh, it's a little lumpy. Ugh. Yuck. Alright, wait, hold on. The knee still comes down slightly too far. Yeah, that should be fine. Is that... No, that knee is usually brighter though, right? That knee is usually less shaded. So maybe I should just bite the bullet and, wait, let me get rid of the skirt for a second. Skirt is legs 1. That looks okay, but yeah, it's definitely, it's tough. Okay, so in order to get the, so actually I'm going to undo a lot of what I just did to that knee layer, because the way it was before was more consistent. Wait, actually, why didn't I just stop here? When I had it to this point, why didn't I just stop there? Like, why did I keep changing it? Oh, because the knee was too pointy? Yeah, I guess it was a little too pointy. Fine. Undo. Yeah, because like I started changing the knee to justify the lower half of the leg, but that's kind of cheating because like the upper leg had been following basically with the precedent of what the other layers had been had been doing. Um, Fly remedy. uh, 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 I think actually, I think the fly remedy thing that you said might actually get picked up correctly, because I think it would know that it would know because it knows that action tags start with the action symbol and can only contain valid characters, valid alphanumeric characters, including underscores. No, action tags can't include underscores. Just alphanumeric characters, and so I think it would have. I think even with the fly multi or fly remedy thing, it would have read it in as fly and remedy. It would have recognized that fly is not an actual action tag, but it would have recognized that remedy is a valid action tag. So I think it. I don't know. I could be wrong, but I think it might have actually even worked the first time. It's not a multi-event, so like you didn't accidentally deactivate it by saying it again. But yeah, no, I don't know. Oh, oops! I'm drawing on the wrong layer. How much did I draw on the wrong layer? Just that one part. All right, so undo that one part. Actually, I liked it though, so I'm gonna instead of undoing it, I'm just gonna transfer it to the correct layer, like so. So this other layer was legs layer 30, right? Yes. Whoa, I drew. I guess it doesn't really matter, but I shouldn't have drawn that much with. Oh yeah, I drew all that on the wrong layer. Whatever, it's fine. The only time it would, if it comes in, if it matters later, then if it matters later, I'll come back and edit it. But for now, I think that's actually fine. Is it actually even changing the shape though? Whoops, not that one. Or is it just entirely superfluous? The what was it, layer 28? Yeah, it is changing the shape a little bit. So whatever. Yeah, if I need to, I'll change it later. Or actually, no, I can just change that now too. Hold on, wait. Undo. There we go. That's what I was looking for. All right, so hide legs 30. All right, yeah, no, I can just deselect because this is all the stuff I drew on the wrong layer. So I can just arbitrarily cut this off at whatever point I want, and just say cut that. Oop, wrong layer. Cut that. Yeah, there we go. And then legs layer 30. Show that. Add in a new layer. Paste that. There we go. Smoosh these layers together. Bada bing, bada boom. Deselect. All good. Actually, I guess it's still a little lumpy. But I don't think I care. At this point, I think it's fine. No, yeah, it's fine. He just has slightly knobby knees or something. I honestly don't care. It looks fine. Fine enough. Alright, I'm gonna I'll export those, but first I'm gonna mute the microphone for 1 second. I'm not actually going anywhere. I'll be right back. Pardon the delay. Now that I'm standing on this small exercise device again, I swear I lose my balance every time I step back onto it. I step off of it and I'm fine, and then I try and step back onto it. I'm like, all right, I'll survive. I'll get through somehow. Um, um, is this a? Whoa! What happened to the end of the event? Oh, I know what happened to the end of the event. Ah! Alright, well, hold on, wait. I think Trusty Bard didn't say anything, but I'm guessing the event... Yeah, okay, sorry. So, Trusty Bard forgot to say it because bugs, but, Jonas, you... Wait a second. Ah, cripes. I think there are two bugs. Cause okay, so hold on. It became obvious when I was looking at it in source tree, or what is this program called? Source tree. Yeah, source tree. Um, there's this thing with. Well, I won't look at it here. I'm gonna guess there's either a. No, I have no freaking clue. I'm just gonna. So I wrote some of these quests in. I wrote some of these events in. I wrote some of these events in Google Docs, and apparently, when I copied and pasted them into Notepad, it brought in some characters that are stupid and no one likes. And so, basically, almost all of all of those quests, except for ghosts. I think ghosts turned out fine on its own, but like three of those quests I've had to rewrite already. Or this is the third of those quests that I actually have to rewrite, just because. What is this? Ailment? Or no, malady? Malady.txt. So there's just a bad character in here somewhere, and I have no clue what it is. But the way I fix this is no, those characters are stupid, and they deserve to know that they're stupid. No, that the way that I fix it is just to retype it. So while attempting to cure a small town of their mysterious affliction, you start to feel the symptoms yourself. According to the locals, you can make a remedy a remedy from the blau. I don't know why I capitalized it before. Blau root plant. Local shaman might offer a blessing of health. With a bit of rest, everyone feels in much better health. The blau root balm runs a bit thin. You can't find more of the plant anywhere. The shaman's voice quakes isn't actually the right word. Wavers as he shouts words of ritual across. Words of blessing? Oh. Yeah, whatever. Words of ritual. Across a massive crowd of the ill. Alright, so save this as malady. And now the bug is fixed. Because stupid characters. Oh, 5 is the event type, and 0 means it's not multi. If it was 1, it would mean multi. So, for example, Dragon. Where's Dragon? Dragon Hall. So Dragon Hall is 3-1 because it's event type 3, and it is multi. Yes, Laura knows what's up. Alright, so what was I doing? Oh yeah, I was about to export the legs. Alright, so this is going to be an operation of sorts. Alright, so don't save, because I have to do this, like I have to smoosh these layers together in like all sorts of weird ways. And unsmoosh them, and if I mess it up, everything will be ruined forever, so don't choke. So how should I do this? First I'll take extents, I guess. Yeah, couldn't hurt to take extents first. Legs to... Alright, so extents. Wow, I'm a sniper. Pixel sniper. Alright, so here are extents. So yeah, so how do these layers even work? So layer 0, let's do layer 0 first. Layer 0 is not that hard, it's just this layer plus this layer. Alright, so I'll smoosh these together. Copy, file, new, okay, paste. Alright, that's correct. Oh wait, is this... I think that yellow might actually show up. Is that going to show up? Or is that going to be covered by... No, that's going to actually show up. So... Flibbity gibbets. Yeah, what should I do about that? I could just erase it from here. It might be easier to just erase it from here instead of trying to erase it from the other image. The one thing I do have to remember to do though is to unmerge those layers. So unmerge. Alright. So yeah, what if I just went in and just with a very, very fine brush went in and just like trim these out? Would that work? Is that gonna... If there's like if there's the faintest of residue, I'm not gonna care. I don't think. I just want to get most of it, I guess. I might just want to erase it from here. Yeah, whatever. I don't care. Alright, so... Yeah, that's fine. It'll be a little bit cleaner this way. It's not like that's going to be difficult to redraw. Alright. Alright, so one more time. Smoosh these together. Copy that. Paste that. There we go. That's a little cleaner. Alright, and then undo. Oh, and actually, I can just undo all of that. I can just undo. Ha. Eat it. Alright, so I'm just going to hide those for now. And then, yeah, so legs 1 has a ton of layers. It has... Oh, I can smoosh these layers together permanently, but whatever. Yeah, so it has all 3 of these layers together. Copy that. File. Hey! New. Okay. Paste that. I don't care about... There's a faint yellow hue around the upper edge, but I don't care about that. It's not enough to cause a problem or anything. So I'm gonna call that fine. And then so unsmoosh those layers. Good. Hide those for now. Alright, so then so these layers are fine actually by themselves. Oh, and actually I can smoosh these layers together. Yeah. Alright, so legs 2, easy. File, new. Okay, paste. Looks a little weird, but whatever. Oh, I haven't been saving these yet? I don't think I started saving these yet. What did I call this? This is equip legs linen pants chain or something. Yeah, linen pants chain. Linen pants chain. So this is what? This is 0? Yes, 0. This is 1. Save that. This is 2. And this is whatever. There's that dark edge on the back, and I probably should have gotten rid of that, but I didn't, and whatever. What's done is done. So yeah, so then legs layer 3, copy that, file, new, okay, paste that, and save as 3. Blammo! Blammo Shazam! I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know what I'm doing. Where am All right, so 6161 is the first part of this data piece. And let's save in this whole data piece. Equip legs, linen pants chain, new text document, data.txt, and doop-a-doop. So 61, 47, 21. Hike. Uh, yow. Yeah. Alright, so, alright, now I'm gonna bring back the leg layers. I should probably, oh no, I still need to, I'm still not ready to, like, bring back the leg layers proper, like, I'm not ready to export the other copy of the legs because, I still need to draw in the belts. But once I do that, I'll be able to export the next layer of legs too. Although, yeah, I've kind of gone about this list. I'm just going to save this list. It's not done, but I'm going to... Also, no one's this high level, so... Oh, wait, no. Actually, no. The script will fail if I... The script will totally crash if it can't find these things. So I actually have to get rid of the ones that I... So I'm going to file save as... I'm just going to save it as, like, order future or whatever. Just so I remember, like, what the plan is. And then I'm just going to delete this back down. So, alright, so we did the cloth headdress, we did the linen sleeves buckler, we did the linen shirt, we did the linen pants chain. We've almost done the linen pants. We did the linen sleeves already. Like, all we had to do for the linen pants is the belt. And then, so we have to do the jacket and the mantle, and then, yeah. That is what's next. Alright, so order future can keep all that stuff, but then I have to go back and edit the order file to not have this stuff, because, excuse me, we typically load all of this equipment data right at the start of the game, and so, excuse me, so when it goes, if I leave those things that don't exist in the ordered file, then when it tries to load the script, it will fail because it won't be able to find those assets. Oh, also, I have an extra line there, which is bad. So let me get rid of that. Alright, so save that. And then for this one, get rid of everything up to... I mean, I guess I could leave in... Nah, whatever. Yeah, cloth headdress, linen sleeves, buckler, linen shirt. I guess that's actually all fine. Linen pants chain is actually fine too, so I'll just get rid of this. Because, yeah, those other ones are technically in the game now. Or they're all ready to go. So... Thank you, Jonas. It's very sweet. I didn't have a Valentine's this year, so I'm going to count that as my Valentine. Alright, so save this, and, alright, we're on our way. We're not there yet, but we're getting there. I think this is a weird idea. I mean, at this point, I would probably describe this person as like a nurse, right? Or like, I have actually no clue what this person is supposed to be. Like once they have the jacket and everything, but like, I don't know. They're definitely not like a cook or a banker, but like, and who knows what they'll be once they have the weird shoulder pieces too. Like they might be like a cleric or something. I honestly don't know. But I don't know. It's at least an interesting direction. It's like it's not something that we've done with the character art before. So, oh, ninjas. What would you say if I put in a I don't know, a little something like that? How's that? Is that ninja enough for you? Because I hid this, but this is actually part of what the character looks like. And then there's even like the ribbons in the back actually like animate and like they flap around as you walk. How's that for ninja? So all right. I don't know if you caught the gist, but I'm starting to wind down for the evening. So I'm gonna switch over to Facecam, and my last order of business, as per usual, will be to find another streamer to that we can bombard with happiness and joy, and look at all these wonderful streamers that are online at this very moment. Let's. I'm just going to find one real quick, and then we'll kick it over that direction. While I'm doing that, I'll say thank you to everyone who tuned in today. I don't know. It was just a really good day. I just had a lot of fun. It just went really well. I've been in really good spirits like this whole week, and I don't know. Let's keep it going, right? Let's just keep it going from here, I guess. Fingers crossed, maybe. I don't know. We'll find out. Um, I holy crumb! Have you guys checked out the game dev streaming channel? I'm just gonna read off numbers: 95, 68, 46, 32, 29, 26, 23, 23, 22. These are just like the number of people that are like watching some of like the popular streams right now, and that's just really exciting to me because like I don't know, like like game dev will get a lot of viewers when there are like a ton of people. Oh, cool. um, yeah, I don't know. It's just really exciting to see that many people are excited about it because like I feel like game dev streaming has a long way to go. Like, and by that I mean like a lot of room to grow. And this, I don't know, that kind of validates it a little bit. So when you say almost ready to kick off, Lauren, if I kill a few minutes, will that give you enough time to kick off, and we can just parlay over to your channel? If that's the case, I will just spend a little time to talk about how. Oh yeah, so fun idea for the future. Maybe I'm thinking of. That's so funny. Good numbers late at night. I would have guessed the opposite because like if you think about like what time it is in the world, like later at night, like at night for like if Dog then and I both live in America, so night for us is like the hours that are about to come. Most of the world is like I don't know, like so for one thing, Asia doesn't like Twitch isn't as big in Asia, right? So like late at night for us is going to be daytime in Asia, and then like early in the morning, like in the late hours of the day. Like I don't know, I would have guessed it to be like exactly opposite that. I would have guessed it to be because like what is like our like late evening up to like midnight is like the worst hours in Europe. I don't know. I just all right. I just don't understand stuff. But I'm still relatively new to streaming anyway, so I'm still figuring out a lot of this stuff myself. But yeah. Oh, fun idea for the future. That I was gonna mention is or that I started to mention a little bit, and then didn't was I think for one of my projects, for my next project, I want to do Stream Jam. I don't know what to call it yet. I'm thinking of calling it like Stream Jam Pro or like Stream Jam Ultra or something like that. Because I want to if you've been here for past Stream Jams, after midnight your time? Wait, if it was after midnight your time, maybe you're getting like the morning rush in Europe or something. Like after midnight your time is 3 o'clock where I am, which means it's 9 in the morning in Europe. So you might have been getting the morning crowd actually. That's funny. I watch streams every morning during breakfast. So I wonder if that's yeah, I get, like when people are watching my stream in Europe, like it's because they're staying up till like 2 in the morning. Like right now it's almost 2 in the morning, right? It's like so yeah, I don't know. I would really love to see like some broad statistics on 2Dio's now streaming. Cool. All right, so I'll wrap it up. Okay. So yeah, I'd love to see some like broad statistics on like really how like streaming numbers work and all that fun stuff. Like what is the actual like, you know, the actual graphs and charts and all that stuff and like breakdowns by categories. That'd be really fun. But all right, so yeah, the thing about Signal Jam Pro, or Signal Jam Ultra, I don't know what I'm going to call it, but basically, like, from one of my next possibly a coming up project, I want to do like a Signal Jam, but I actually want to do a bigger one. I want to literally make a game, and not just jam out for a few days, but literally like finish a product and like actually like I basically want to set up like I don't know how much of this I'm going to do, so don't get your hopes too high, but I kind of want to like basically like set up a label for like collaborative projects that we can work on, and I think that would be fun. I know I would enjoy that, and I don't know. Yeah. Anyways, I was just gonna talk about that a little bit to waste time, but I've wasted enough time, so I'll just finally I'll say thank you everyone for showing up and hanging out and having a wonderful time. I hope to see you all again in the very near future. And until then, have a wonderful whatever time it is where you are, and get ready for some fine lore and programming. I'll kick it over there in just a second. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Um, all right. So host 2do. Lemma. Alright, so yeah, if you're watching on mobile, you see all this awkward ending part that other people don't see, so I guess your Easter egg for today will be a stupid dance. Dude. Alright, bye.